Welcome to Trading Lounge and the Indian report for the Nifty 50. And starting on the daily chart here, we've been looking at this in a conservative manner in terms of 5 waves up here for wave A. We can look at it as wave 1. If we were going to look at it as wave 1 actually, then I would actually probably better off putting it in terms of an intermediate structure here. So I'll just do that. But I think that it's just because of the current situation of the world, we'll just look at this in a conservative manner. So that means that an A wave, a B wave, and 5 waves for a C wave here. And that's been confirmed now. So we're basically looking for 5 waves here. And it was confirmed when we took this top out through here. Okay, but let's go and have a look at this little structure here. I've got 2 particular counts that we can look at this as an impulse wave to the upside here. I haven't made up my mind which is the correct one, but we just something we need to work through. But the 2 counts are in the same direction, so really it doesn't really matter a great deal. It will at the end of the structures, but not right now. But so on the 4-hour chart is one of the structures that I've been looking at here, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 1 here and 2 here, and then up for 1 and back for 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for this one, and then an A and a B and a C back here for this one for wave 4, and then wave 5 here. Let's just move these around a little bit. This one here, this one here, this one here. And this would be another ABC coming back to this one, and then we would see 5 waves moving higher here for this wave 5, and I'll work out where that 61.8% retracement level is here. So we could have an ABC pattern here, so an A and a B and a C pattern here for wave B here. That's one way to look at it. The other way we're going to look at it, and the next shot here, which we looked at yesterday, is putting wave 1 over here and building the structure from that point, and that works as well. So let's go to the 1-hour chart here to do that, a little bit more detail. So this is a bit more of a the reason there's a good case for this, and the case for this is that in the other way that we had it, we would have this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but wave 4 would be overlapping wave 1. In this case here, it fits all the Elliott rules, so 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and then we start going off into a powerful third of a third of a third, which is well, 3, 4, 5 for the third here, the fourth here, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up here for this one here. So in a way we still end up pretty close to the same sort of result. In terms of trading this to the upside here, we've been looking at it on the 15-minute chart here, so we'll just sort of recap that a little bit here. So what we're going to do, we've got a long position here, here, and here, and we're going to take profit at 10,000. Okay, that's the plan. So this wave 4 may get a little bit more complicated, but in a nutshell, we should push up close to that. So anywhere near that to take profit is what we'll be looking at. In both of our counts that we've been looking at, we would be looking for some sort of, in both counts, just different degrees of structure. We'd be looking for an A and a B and a C wave back into this space, and then we'll be looking for a move higher at that point. So what we'll do is we'll take profit here, and we'll pull back in, and I'll find out the retracement targets for both counts, and we'll get an average on that, and then we can work with that. I'll just put this other trading level in. So the trading levels from 9 to 10 here is simply the Fibonacci numbers of 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8. We can also have group 2 in here as well, which is 72, 9, 7, 20, and 9, 6, 50 here. Anyway, that's there, but we'll look at that a bit more closely when we need to for this pullback of this wave structure here. So that's really panned out quite nicely, that trade. So yeah, well done if you've traded that. Alrighty, thanks for tuning in, much appreciated, and thanks for your support.